everyone. Good morning. This is Chris Aki here from Marketing Verge. Today, what I'm going to talk about is steps to remain consistent during the slow times. And especially with what's happening right now in the world, I feel like this is extremely vital and important to every single business owner, to every single sales consultant, to pretty much everyone in the business space right now, because with the way times are going right now, uh, times are going to be fluctuating very inconsistently right now. So I thought that creating maybe a quick video on how to, remain consistent during these times would really help people out there. This is obviously just a really quick step-by-step approach that you can implement. And I've got this information from speaking with other consumers, other business owners over the past several weeks that I've seen direct results just from engaging in these types of steps that I'm going to explain really quickly. So the number one thing that you really want to be centered on right now is your clear message to the customers, to your new customers. You have to make sure that they understand that you're operating just fine during these times, right? That nothing's different, that your organization is so darn calm, cool, and collected, right? People are going to have to understand why you're the best of the best, right? So, number one step is have that clear cut message to new customers and your current customers that everything is perfectly fine, that you are still maintaining your business, that everything is going extremely, extremely well, right? Second step, utilize social media, right, to really reassure that your clients and everything that you're doing is just fine. Okay. So you can do this by sending out a quick message, right, on Instagram, a quick message on Facebook, Twitter, Google, etc. You can let everyone out there know, right, how you're engaging with your current customers, right? That shows other people, right, that you actually give a darn and that you're actually caring about every single individual that comes in, right? The third step, follow up with every single person. Every person, right, that leaves a comment, that sends you a message, that was an older lead, any new client via email, whatever that is, right? Make sure that you have a step-by-step process to keep re-engaging, to keep following up with people that maybe you haven't heard back from in, over a year or et cetera. So keep following up with people to try to maintain, that pipeline to make sure that people are, you keep getting re-engaging, right, with clients as well. Fourth step, maintain your brand at all costs. That means keep advertising. I've met some business owners over the past couple of weeks that were kind of scared, I don't know if they're scared too much, but they're kind of pulling back, their advertising budget a little bit. And I had to kind of reassure them that, hey, during these times, people, they need to see that you're the best of the best. You need to maintain that brand consistently. So keep supplementing the loss of those customers, right? They're going to be freaking out during this process because you will lose some during this process, right? That's just how the economy is right now. You have to supplement that loss with constant new customers. So now's the time actually to push and keep pushing to maintain your brand at all costs, to maintain that the leads are coming in. So keep the advertising going, but make sure, which is the fifth step, kind of segue into that. Obviously, you always want to make sure that you're getting as many new customers as possible, right? But you also want to make sure that it's smart advertising dollars. You don't want to invest money on something that you're not sure of, right? And I've seen this happen a lot to a lot of business owners. So make sure at the end of the day that whatever you're investing your money into, that you have a professional, you have someone in your back pocket that's kind of helping you, so you don't end up spending way more money than you have to. Because during these times as well, you have to make sure that your budget is lined up properly, right, to where it makes financial sense for you. So these are just a couple different steps that I've kind of been speaking with other business owners, right, over the past couple weeks since all this crazy coronavirus thing has taken the world by storm, right? Obviously, there's a chance that this could get way worse, right? So, at the end of the day, you really have to make sure that implementing some of these steps will actually help, make sure that everyone stays calm, cool, and collected, that your customers are secure, that you keep building the brand up properly. And, obviously you don't want anything to happen during, with the business during this time. So, once again, if you need any help with this or coming up with anything, I'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. I'll leave the information obviously provided below. I'll be more than happy to point anyone in the right direction when it comes to setting up a perfect step-by-step process that would help make sure that you're getting consistent, clients and leads during these crazy times as well. So hopefully this helps, and I'll be in touch with you guys shortly. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.